Okay, solving for y. So here we have two variables. It's impossible to solve for either one of these variables because we have two unknowns and one equation. So we have to have two equations to solve for both of these. But sometimes they want you to solve for just one of the variables. Okay, you're not going to get a number answer, but you'll basically, what is something we call isolate. It's really what they're asking. So isolate one of the variables. In this case, it's the y. And there might be several reasons we're going to do that. So when we go into graphing next, you're going to want to isolate that y, and you may want it to fit a form that you can use, like y equals mx plus b. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve for this y. So again, we're going to do our algebra rules again. Remove anything that's being added or subtracted to the y. We're trying to add a 2x to this y, so I'm going to subtract 2x both sides. Okay, those zero out. We bring down the y. Okay, now we can't take 2x from 10 because it's not an x with it. So apples and oranges, okay? We can only subtract variables from other like variables, okay? 10 has no variable, it's a constant. So what we do is we just write it together. So we'll get 10 minus 2x, just like so. Or we can use the associative property, and we could put the negative 2x in front and the 10 in the back. So like I said, sometimes we want to fit a certain formula like our slope-intercept form, okay, for graphing purposes. But either one of these is fine, and that's our answer.